Welcome to Apply Engineer. Hello friends. In this video, we will implement the practical of business intelligence subject. So the title of this practical is to import the data from the various data sources in the Power BI desktop software. So to implement this software, we will use the Power BI desktop software, and you can download in your system. I already download it in my system. So after install and after download and installing the Power BI desktop in our system, this I open to it, and this is the interface of Power BI desktop. So you can see here. So in this practical, we have to perform the some operation in the Power BI desktop. So we have to import the data from the various data sources. So in the Power BI desktop, there are multiple data sources are available. From these data sources, we can import the data in the Power BI desktop. So this is the interface of Power BI desktop. You can see here. First, you can see here the report view is present. So in the report view, what is the purpose of report view? In the report view, we can generate the dashboard, or we can generate the interactive reports in the report view. So second one is the table view. Here you can see table view. In the table view, whatever the tables you are importing from the various different data sources, you can see here in the table view. So in the third view is the model view, and in the model view, so you can make a relationship in between the different tables or in between the data. So if your table name and if your data name or column name is same, then automatically this software will make a relationship in between that both table, or otherwise we have to manually make a relationship in between that both columns or tables. And fourth one is here DAX query view. So first one is we have to import the data. So just you can see here, there are whatever the data sources are available in the Power BI desktops are shown here. So you can see. So click on this get data. So here you can see there are common data sources are available. So you can click on the more button. So there are multiple data sources are available. So in Power BI desktop support the different data sources. From these data sources, we can import the data in the Power BI desktop. So first we will importing the data from the Excel workbook. So just click on the Excel workbook. So after clicking on the Excel workbook, first we need to download the data set. So I already download it in my system. So I will open that data set. So you can see here the data set is uploading in the Power BI desktop software. Okay, so after importing, you can see here navigator tab is open. So here my sheet name is orders. So I click here in the order, so you can see the preview of my data set. So this is the data set. Here the three options are available: load, transform data, and cancel. If you want to load that data, then you can directly click on the load tab. If you want to transform the data, means what, if you in your data sheet, or if your Excel sheet some raw data or some redundant data or some null value are the present, then you can remove to it, and after removing to it, you can just click on the load button. So you in your input data, there is no null value or there is no any kind of missing data is present. So in my Excel sheet or in my data, there is no null value or redundant data is present. So I can directly uh, load this data in Power BI desktop. Okay, so you can see my data is successfully loading in Power BI desktop from Excel workbook. So after importing the data, how to check the data is successfully imported or not in the Power BI desktop? So you can see on right hand side, here the three pans are present. First one is a data pan, second one is a visualization pan, and third one is the filter pan. So in the data pan, whatever the data is imported in the Power BI desktop, so this data is available in the order. So you can see here the order data is imported successfully because it is showing in the data pane. So these are the multiple columns present in my order data sheet. right? So there is another way to check the data is successfully imported or not. So here the table view is present in my left hand side. You can see here the table view is present. If you click on the table view, then you can see here the order data is successfully imported. So this data is shown here, right? So it means that your data is successfully imported in the Power BI desktop. So this is the first way to import the data from the Excel workbook. After importing the data in the Excel workbook, so in this practical we have to import the data then from O data field. So click on the get data. Then in the get data there are some multiple data sources are available. So in this data sources there is a one source like O data feed is available. Just click on the O data feed. After clicking on O data feed, here we have to insert one URL. It means that in the O data feed, from the URL we have to fetch the data. So this URL is I paste here, and just click on the OK button. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so you can see here there are multiple data are the present. There are multiple datas are present here, you can see. So whatever the sheets are present in that particular URL, so these all the data sheets are available here. So if I want to insert the, or if I want to load the order data, then I just click on the order and just click on the transform the data or load. If in my data sheet there is a null value or redundant data is present, then I directly click on the transform data, otherwise I can directly click on the load. So there is no redundancy or there is no null value is present in my data sheet, so I can directly load to it. So here you can see the data is loading in the Power BI desktop. It takes some times to load the data from O data feed. Okay, so here the successfully data is important. You can see here the order to in the data pane. You can see the order to means here the from OFID data the data is successfully imported. So just right click on the orders and just click on the edit query. So this the Power Query editor is open. So you can some perform the some operation through the Power Query editor on your data. So in this way the this practical is here completed. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, like this video. Thanks for watching.